Why do you think that you were born? Why does this world exist? There must be some reason to for this world to exist. कुछ तो कारण होगा ना? क्या कारण है? अभी तक सोचा नहीं था किसी ने ये? सोचा था? फिर क्या क्या निकल कर आया? कुछ तो आया होगा ना? मैम, Hinduism, fruits, flowers, what we offer to God symbolize many things. All that is hidden in philosophical truths. Yes, yes. क्या क्यों एग्जिस्ट करती है दुनिया? What is the reason behind the existence of this world? Why it happened? कोई रीजन है? Is there some purpose for this world to exist? There is a reason, but there is no purpose. What is the difference between reason and purpose? So you are saying there is a cause, but there is no teleology, or there is no purpose and goal to it. Okay. So we are here in the world to fulfill the role assigned to us by God. Yes, now you are philosophizing. अब साइंस के एक्सप्लेनेशन में मतलब फ्लेवर नहीं है. अब साइंस क्या कह रहा है? क्यों हुआ ये वर्ल्ड? Why does this world exist? The science says Big Bang happened. So a lot of hot gases and matter flew away, and then one of the matter cooled down, and there was this hot soup where all these chemicals were there, and suddenly, for no reason, for no initial indication, the life started as a one-celled something, and now this one cell starts expanding, and then fishes came, then reptiles, then amphibians, then mammals, and then with the flow of evolution we came. So actually we are nothing but a evolved animal, just a evolved animal for no purpose. So just as that life originated for no purpose, we have no purpose according to. But doesn't it sound very flavorless? मतलब क्यों आ गए? बस ऐसे एवोल्यूशन हो गया था. क्या करोगे लाइफ में? बस इवॉल्व हो गए, अब 60, 70, 80 साल जिएंगे. We will live, we will eat, we will drink, we will procreate, and then we will. What will happen after death? What will happen after death? Aja, what happen according to science? What happens after death? Death means end, complete end. Nothing after that. Nothing. So death becomes very fearful, isn't it? No? Isn't it? So imagine, so just close your eyes and imagine that all the things that are you are doing, and suddenly someone says, "Mar gaye, sab khatam." You will not ever exist after that, ever. No name, no identity, nothing. How does it feel? Scary? It scares. People feel we are here for, like, firstly, there is no purpose. Secondly, if we find a purpose, there is nothing after death, and death becomes the end of the world and everything, end of identity. Gone means gone forever, and there is no mark of it. कोई मार्क ही नहीं है, उसके बाद आपका कुछ बचा ही नहीं दुनिया में. So this is a very scary thought. To overcome all these things, philosophy is a very potent means, because philosophy tells us first, आए क्यों या फिर लाए क्यों गए. This means that why did you came to this place? Why was earth formed? Why was the world formed? And why were you brought in? So what is your role? यहाँ पे क्या करने आए हो? So Hindu philosophy or Vedic philosophy will say, पुराने कर्म को भुगतने आए हो. So this means that you have done some actions for which you will have to pay. For that you will have to be, and in the process you will do new karma, which will result in. So this is a complete cycle which goes on, and in between those individuals who can understand the truth or reality, इस vicious cycle के बीच में जिसने ये समझ लिया what is the truth, what is the reality, वो व्यक्ति इस cycle को तोड़ के बाहर आ जाएगा. और बाहर आके क्या हो जाएगा? अब अलग अलग इंटरप्रिटेशन है. कोई कहेगा, अभी लिबरेशन याद है, Either somebody will say अब कोई दुख नहीं है, and somebody will say बहुत सुख है. But whatever the notion is, the idea is purpose बताना. And they will tell you after death also. What happens after death? Religion क्या कहता है? What happens after death? So your Atma is Ajar Amar. Atma is Ajar Amar. This means permanent, eternal. So even when a person dies, it is only the body that stays behind. But Atma, the real knower or the real I, goes to the new body, takes up the new life, and then performs action and takes up the new life. So this means death becomes less fearful because you are the Atma. It's just like changing clothes. So now do you fear about life? You stick to it, but still it doesn't remain a very fearful concept. कहते हैं कोई जैसे कभी किसी के यहाँ कोई मर जाता है तो कहते हैं आत्मा एकदम उनकी सही है, शरीर नश्वर था, वो चला गया है ना, वो उनको अच्छा जन्म मिले आगे, ऐसी बातें सुनने में आती है. All of this is their metaphysics. Rest in peace. Western notion है rest in peace. हमारे यहाँ कोई peace नहीं है. हमारे यहाँ तो आत्मा is revolving, very busy. No rest in peace. So the moment she finishes the task, next task is given. हमारे यहाँ नहीं है ये rest in peace वाला concept. हमारे यहाँ कौन सा वो कहते हैं? What is this concept of rest in peace? So in Western religions, so there is this Judgment Day concept. So anybody who dies is put into a coffin and buried. So why is there the concept of coffin? Judgment Day पे सब they will resurrect and they will be judged on the good or bad. सबका exactly, they will be given justice and they will be disposed of. जिनको hell देना है hell दे देंगे, जिनको heaven देना है. So people who will be given this hell, they will be burning in hell forever, and someone who is given heaven will be enjoying in heaven forever. So forever वाला concept बड़ा खतरनाक है वहाँ पे. मतलब एक बार आपने hell ले लिया फिर no escape. No. So देखो, if these things will start getting proved, they will become science. Anything which becomes proved becomes science. Of course, when we are arguing even for the idea, like what do you believe? Is there a God or not? You believe there is a God, right? So you will give me arguments if I say I don't believe in God, and I will give you arguments for not believing in God. This is philosophy. Supposedly one of us becomes proved. हम में से किसी एक का स्टैंड प्रूव हो गया, साइंस ने दिखा दिया एक्सपेरिमेंट करके, देखो दिस इज आत्मा है ना, इन दिस बॉटल देयर इज दिस आत्मा. इफ आई पुट दिस आत्मा इनटू दिस डेड बॉडी, द पर्सन विल बिकम अलाइव विद द सेम कॉन्शियसनेस. मतलब हमने प्रेमचंद की आत्मा अगर कैद कर ली, फिर हमने शेक्सपियर की बॉडी में भी डाल दी, तो वो क्या बोलेंगे? वो प्रेमचंद वाली कहानियां बताएंगे. He will start talking in the terms of प्रेमचंद because the soul is of. अगर साइंस ने ये प्रूव कर दिया तो वो साइंस बन गई ना. Then it becomes science. Then it is not philosophy anymore. So philosophical concepts will always be a little mystery of